Starting April 1st and moving forward, under the leadership of Mayor Hammoud, grass and weeds enforcement will begin. Inspectors will be in the neighborhoods responding to and following up on complaints. This will be focused on health and safety concerns, shifting to a more aggressive approach in getting property issues resolved quickly. This new approach allows for 24-hour abatements. The focuses being tall grass and weeds, trash and litter, and animal waste. If you have any questions, please contact the City of Dearborn Response Center at 313-943-2150.